So hi guys, welcome back to my channel Yasha's Hair Corner. So today I've got this really nice upart wig which I think is perfect for natural hair. So I'm just going to show you guys, it's a really quick tutorial on how I made it. So to achieve this look, I actually used a upart wig cap. So just to let you guys know a bit about the hair, so the hair has a really nice kinky textured look which I think is amazing for natural hair. And the hair was only £8.99 a pack, and it does not tangle at all, which is quite shocking for hair that cheap. But I think this is probably the best hair I've ever had for my natural hair. I could have gone for color number 2. I looked for it everywhere and I could not find it. I think if I'd used the 2, it would probably blend a bit better with my own natural hair color. But still, this hair is really amazing. I would definitely recommend it.